What is up, everybody? This is FNH here with a brand new video to talk about iOS apps that are being revoked. The iOS plus apps, I should say, such as TutuApp, Spotify plus, YouTube plus, Pokemon Go plus, and whatnot. So in this video, I'm going to talk about what's currently happening, what's the current fix for it, and what needs to be done. So just to show you their Twitter page, TutuApp is working on a stable build, and it will be released within 2 weeks. It's been almost 24 hours for this tweet since it came out, and most likely this will get released eventually within, again, 13 to 12 days. Give it 2 weeks, you'll have the updated app, which I will give you. Keep on making updates if a better fix comes out in the meantime. Currently, your best bet is to go download TutuApp Lite. I'll leave a link in the description, and I'll pin the link to my video on how to do that. That is currently working. I know certain people said it wasn't working. They have made it work. It's taking long to download. You can see I literally deleted them and I'm downloading those apps again. They do work. They get revoked eventually, then they work again. Right now, I don't know if it's the current fix because I'm just trying it now because after they made a video or tweet saying it's working now. So as you can see, they're literally downloading very slow, but they are going to work. So I would highly recommend to either do this, or your second best option is, and I'll leave a link for that as well, is to download City Impactor. You would need to do this from your PC itself. And again, I have a video on that as well. It's extremely easy to follow, but you need to use your computer to be able to download like YouTube plus, Spotify plus, Pokemon Go, etc. So I just wanted to give you like an update / fix video on what needs to be done and what you guys can do currently to resolve this issue. And this is one of the best ways I can highly give you. TutuApp Lite does work. iOS Ninja is also working on a fix. They said give them a couple of weeks as well. And the other ones, some of them work, some of them aren't currently working. There are moments that they're able to fix it and then boom, it gets revoked. It's Apple, it's their latest update. They're doing this. Someone keeps actually complaining about these, which is most likely Apple themselves, and revoking these apps on the go. But they are working on a fix. It will be available shortly. And again, I will give you as much as updates as I possibly can. And hopefully you can just go for TutuApp Lite right now because that is currently working. So overall, I do hope you guys can try this out and it does work for you. So overall, if you did like this video and if you found it helpful and whatnot, definitely give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you get all these latest updates that I'm providing you. And if you're new, and other than that, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, let me know in the comment section below. I will try to help you and guide you as much as I possibly can. Other than that, FNH out. Peace.